Most mechanics will tell you to buy a $200 battery, but they're hiding a cheaper secret that actually lasts longer. Today we're exposing the top 5 immortal car batteries that keep your cash where it belongs, in your pocket. Welcome back to AutoRift. If you want maximum starting power and extreme durability without being ripped off at the auto shop, you need to watch this and listen closely, because the battery sitting at the #1 spot on today's list isn't just cheap, it can actually increase your car's gas mileage. Yes, you heard that right. How exactly does a battery save you gas? I'll explain the secret behind it at the end of the video. I've dropped the Amazon links for all these indestructible batteries in the description below, so you can grab the exact fit for your ride. Let's count down from number 5. Kicking things off at number 5 is a true hidden gem, the MIGHTYMAX MM-G35. This 12-volt AGM battery is built for people who want extreme reliability without the fluff. So why is it immortal? First, it packs 650 cold cranking amps. If you live in an area with extreme weather, CCA is the only number you should care about. It guarantees your engine fires up instantly, no matter how harsh the weather gets. But what really makes the MIGHTYMAX a lifesaver is its massive 100-minute reserve capacity. Think of this as your emergency backup. If your alternator ever fails on the highway, this battery acts like a massive power bank, keeping your car's essential systems running for over an hour and a half so you can get home safely. It is completely sealed, spill-proof, and absorbs heavy shocks like a pro. Check the link below to see if Group 35 is the right size for your car. At number 4, we have a heavy hitter you've probably heard of, but you are definitely overpaying for it at the dealership. The ACDelco Gold 48 AGM. Mechanics love to charge a massive markup on this brand, but buying it online cuts them out entirely. This battery is an absolute tank. Instead of using standard, cheap metals inside, it is built with a highly advanced internal alloy. What does that mean for you in plain English? It means this battery survives blistering summer heat without boiling over and dying. Heat is the absolute #1 killer of car batteries, but ACDelco designed this to stay incredibly cool under pressure, massively extending its lifespan. Plus, it's backed by a rock-solid 36-month warranty. For leak-free, heavy-duty power from a brand you can trust, grab it right now from the description. Taking the number 3 spot is the TPEAGM Group 48. If you live in an area with freezing winters or scorching summers, this is the beast you want under your hood. Delivering a massive 800 to 900 cold cranking amps, this battery punches way above its weight class. To put that into perspective, most standard batteries barely give you 500 CCA. With 800 CCA, your car isn't just starting, it's roaring to life instantly, even if it's buried under a foot of snow. It also features an incredibly low self-discharge rate, meaning if you leave your car parked in the driveway for weeks while on vacation, you won't come back to a dead battery. It will still fire right up. Now, before we hit the top 2, wait, it gets crazier. Remember how I said the #1 battery actually improves your fuel efficiency? We are almost there, and you absolutely do not want to miss how that works. But first, let's look at number 2. Runner-up at number 2 is the UPLUS Group 35. This premium AGM battery is an absolute steal right now, and it is flying off the shelves. Modern cars are packed with technology. Between navigation systems, heated seats, power doors, and dash cams, regular batteries just get choked out and die early. The UPLUS is engineered to handle massive electrical loads like it's nothing. Even crazier, it is 15 times more vibration resistant than a regular battery. Whether you are hitting massive potholes, driving on dirt roads, or going over rough speed bumps, the internal plates of this battery won't shatter. With a guaranteed reliable start every single time, you need to click the link in the description to secure yours before they sell out. And finally, at number 1, the ultimate budget king that mechanics pray you never find out about, the MARXON Group 140R. This AGM battery is a complete game changer. So let's answer the big question from the beginning of the video. How does this battery save you gas? It all comes down to start-stop optimization. When you stop at a red light, modern cars shut the engine off to save fuel, forcing the battery to run all the electronics. When the light turns green, the battery has to instantly restart the engine. A standard battery struggles with this, forcing your alternator to work overtime and burn more gas to recharge it. But the MARXON charges 40% faster than standard batteries. It takes the heavy lifting off your engine, which can actually save you up to 10% on gas costs while driving. It's completely maintenance-free, incredibly durable, and comes with a 3-year warranty. It is hands down the highest value for money upgrade you can make today. Click the first link below to buy it right now. There you have it. Don't let mechanics overcharge you for basic upgrades that you can easily do yourself. Which one of these immortal batteries are you putting in your car? Let me know down in the comments. Make sure you grab your battery from the the Amazon links in the description below to ensure you're getting the exact model at the lowest possible price. If this video saved you some cash, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching AutoRift, and I'll see you in the next video.